Hello, 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 hello. Please, people, come live, come live, come live. Okay, 60 people have come in. Hi, all. I know it's a very spontaneous live. Asalo. This wasn't planned, but okay. Cool. 7,000, 8,000, 9,000. All right. Hi, everybody. Hi. Waving a hi to everyone. So first of all, good evening, everybody. I know it's a very spontaneous thing. Suddenly live Ravalsan ochindi. Already, of course, I'm a little late to this party. Evening, Dolly Shah Garu had shared this information with me. Kani, I was in rehearsals and studio signals sarigga leka. I could not. 1 second. Yeah, so studio sarigga signals like I could not post about it, so I thought post చేయడం కన్నా దీని గురించి మాట్లాడితే ఇంకా ఇంపాక్ట్ఫుల్గా ఉంటుంది. ఎందుకంటే సిచ్యువేషన్ ఏంటో క్లియర్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తే జనాలకి ఇంకా క్లియర్గా అర్థమవుతుంది. సో బేసిక్లీ హాయ్ ఎవ్రీబడి. సో యా, ఐ నో ఇట్స్ అ క్విక్ లైవ్. ఐఎమ్ గోన్ బి హియర్ ఫర్ అ షార్ట్ వైల్, బట్ ఐ థాట్ బికాజ్ ఈ పర్టికులర్ ఇష్యూని నేను దీని గురించి నేను మాట్లాడాలి కాబట్టి. సో దెర్ దిస్ డాగ్ కాల్డ్ ఇషాన్ని డాలీ షా గారు రెస్క్యూ చేశారు. తను ఫైనాన్షియల్గా షీ ఈస్ టేకింగ్ కేర్ ఆఫ్ ద డాగ్ until now. I am also helping out in whichever way I can, but definitely other than the boarding, which is about 300 to 400 rupees per day, there is medical expense. So basically emaindante, this particular indie dog 6th floor nunchi oka construction site lo it fell down and spinal cord injury jarigindi. Now it is immobile and it is paralyzed. So Dolly Shah Garu rescued the dog, and now this particular dog is in a pet boarding where the treatment is happening. Almost 1 month ayindandi ee issue jarigi. So financial aid is required andi. As I just said, 300 to 400 rupees per day at the boarding. Alage the dog needs hydrotherapy for it to walk back again, and minimum 3 to 4 months of intensive care is required, medical attention is required, which costs money. Dolly Shah Garu has already taken up some financial responsibility. Even I am helping, but as I said, any kind of charity or any kind of help is something in which we all need to come together. Like I always say, oka manchi 10 lakshalu ivvadam leda 10 lakshal mandi రూపాయి ఇవ్వడం, what is better? So Dolly Shah Garu reached out to me asking me, if we can talk about it and if people can help. Already Milap lo we have put a request, and I'm going to put a swipe up again with the pictures, but I hope that ee video chusina vallu will come forward and contribute. Ekku vaddandi, like I always say, even 1 rupee is more than enough. Almost 3 million plus followers unnaru. Andru just 1 rupee ichina chalu. Any kind of charity chesetappudu we all need to come together. So yeah, and also, like I always say, please adopt, don't shop. And I'm glad that the government is taking strict action, imposing strict rules, and I'm hoping that twaralo our voiceless are given attention, and until then we are their voice. We need to be there to help them out. So once again, one and all, please meeku entavaraku kudirte please help cheyandi. 1 rupee kaavachu, 2 rupees kaavachu, 5 rupees kaavachu, edaina any amount, please donate so Ishan can start walking back again. And definitely the next step will be adoption, because kachitanga ఇంత దాని మీద ఇంత టైం, దానికి ఇంత మెడికల్ అటెన్షన్ ఇచ్చిన తర్వాత డెఫినెట్గా దాన్ని మళ్ళీ రోడ్ మీద వదలడం అనేది ఈజ్ నాట్ అన్ ఆప్షన్, అండ్ వీ విల్ నాట్ డూ దట్. ద నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ విల్ బీ అడాప్షన్. సో ఎస్, ఐ హోప్ one of you shows that kind of love and adopts Ishan. But as of now, we need financial aid andi. We are helping out as much as we can, but we don't know how long before Ishan can walk back on his feet again. So it's an indie dog, so please do help. And as I said, even a rupee can make a huge difference. So please, I'm going to be putting up a picture along with the swipe up of Milap. It's a verified link andi. So please do come forward and help. Once again, thank you so much for joining in with me in this spontaneous live, and love you all, and hoping for a positive response. Thank you so much, guys. Love you all. Good night.